Fix we disabled your account on Facebook for 180 days. Now, since you are not able to access your Facebook application, the method that we will be using for us to be able to coordinate with the Facebook recovery customer support is via your web browser. So just simply pull up your preferred web browser. Right now, I'm currently using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Now, once you have access your browser, just simply type in Facebook recovery. Now in here, all you have to do is just choose on recovery your Facebook account if you can't log in right here. Now you'll be redirected to the Facebook Help Center. You scroll down a little bit, and then on the field that says, was this helpful? Just tap on no, and then tap on other. Describe what exactly happened, why your Facebook account was currently blocked or disabled for 180 days. Take note that this is not going to be a guarantee that you will recover it directly. It's going to be depending on the Facebook customer support on how long will they get back to you. So just simply type in, please help me recover my Facebook account. It might be a bug or a system issue. Now, all you have to do once you click on submit, you'll just have to wait for the Facebook customer support to get back to you because they're going to be the ones to resolve that issue for you. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix disabled account for 180 days.